everybody, it's your girl Snkrmom back in the building, back with another review, guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Nike Dunk Low Cacao Wow. Let's get into it. You got the same normal Nike Dunk box. It's all red with a white Nike on the top. You got your white Nike on the side, same on this side. But then we're gonna get to the front of the box and it reads Nike Dunk Low NH, and the colorway is Cacao Wow, marina-rough green. Let's get into the inside. Opening up the box, you got your same normal insides, same box, stamp of approval up there, cream tissue paper. But let's pull out the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Nike Dunk Low Cacao Wow. All right. First of all, I'm gonna start off by saying when I first saw them initially, I was like, nah, I don't think I'm gonna go for these. I'm gonna let them pass. Didn't really think I was gonna be able to really like this colorway, but then they kept restocking, so I was like, man, well, let me go ahead and try for them. So I was able to cop them, and here we go. Now that I'm looking at them, it's not bad. Colorway is not bad. You got your dark greens and your browns, and you got your light greens, so it's not too bad. I mean, and then you got that turquoise right here, so I mean, it's doable, but it's still not that pop that I really wanted. So like I said, it's just okay for me, but let's get into the aspects of the shoe. First, we're gonna start off by saying that this was inspired by a cacao tree. I hope I'm saying that right, cacao, some kind of way, but it is inspired by a tree. So that's why you got your nice dark earth tone colors. And then of course, let's get to the front of the toe. You got that nice brown mesh right here on the top of the toe. Then in the front of the toe box, you got this nice green leather coming across the front of the toe box with this green stitching coming across the front of the toe. Also, as you can see, you got these turquoise shoestrings. Didn't come with any extra laces. On the tongue, you got a nice thick tongue, kind of reminds you of SB Dunk. You got your Nike right here and the turquoise stitching, and then you got that it's like a green, light greenish looking color right here with the hairy suede right here on the top of the tongue. Flipping back to the side, you got this hairy turquoise Nike chip right here with that hairy suede. You got the light brownish greenish mesh in the background of that. We're gonna flip to the back. As you can see, you got this brown leather come across the back of the heel of the shoe, and then it has green stitching inside of that heel and that leather on the back of the heel. Then we're gonna go up to this Nike right here. You got your Nike, and it's in a I would say like a tan stitching right here on top of that hairy turquoise suede right here on the back of the heel of the shoe. Inside the shoe, it just says Nike and that turquoise colorway, so it's kind of hard to see in there. Inside of the shoe, as you can see around the heel, is that dark green, pine green mesh coming across the inside of the heel of the shoe. All the way to this side of the shoe. Looks the same as that way as the other side with that hairy suede turquoise Nike check coming across with your dark green leather coming across all the way back to the front of the heel of the shoe. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. This was the right shoe. Let's get into the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got your brown mesh right here on the top of the heel of the shoe. Coming across also to the front of here, you got that nice green leather coming across the front of the heel with that little stitching. It's like I would say it's like a lime greenish stitching on the inside of that heel, on the inside of the leather right here on the front of the heel. Going up to this turquoise shoelaces, no extra laces, but something different on this one. You have these four little beads right here on the front of the shoelaces, which is different. I really don't know what that means. If you know what this means, let me know down in the comments below. What do these beads stand for? Is it just something that they added on the shoe just to throw off? But it's just on the left shoe. It's not on the right shoelace, so I don't know what that means. But if you know, let me know down in the comments below so I can know what it means. Back to the front of the tongue right here, you got that Nike, and like I said, hairy suede green right here. And like I said, you got a thick tongue right here. Kind of reminds you of that SB tongue on these right here. Then you got that hairy suede turquoise check come across. You got that brown come across to the back. all the way up. So we're gonna go to the top of the heel. You got that Nike and that tan stitching. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. We're coming back to the side of the shoe where you got the bottom. You got this white rubber bottom, then it's going all the way around to this green, pine green rubber bottom on the bottom of the shoe. Like I said, overall, it is a nice shoe. I would say it's a nice fall, winter shoe, just because of the nice dark earth tone colors. But I said, not bad. It's not like, oh my goodness, I really needed this, because it's to me, it's just okay. But I mean, if you like it, then hey, I love it. You know, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a good shoe to match, like I said, for the winter. It is very matchable because you got your browns and your greens. So it shouldn't be hard to match up with if you decide to cop these. They retail for $120. They came out July the 21st. Just got mine in. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. This Nike Dunk Low Cacao Wow. Nothing, you know, nothing bad about it. Nothing spectacular about them. Just a nice dunk that gives you SB vibes, especially with this thick tongue. And then I like the way they had that hairy suede and mesh and the leather all coming in together as one. Not bad for the shoe. So y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you try to go for these? Did you pass on them? Let me know what you think about them. Are they just like it's just another dunk? Or, you know, let me know. Let me know down in those comments below. If you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at Snkrmom1721. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. The Nike Dunk Low Cacao Wow. Give y'all that 360 one more time. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl Snkrmom. Peace.